Hello friends. Imagine this, it's a freezing cold winter morning, 8 AM, the kind where you can feel the chill bite through your clothes. In an MBA class, students shuffle in one by one. The energy is low, it's cold, it's early, and the week has barely started. Suddenly, one student walks in late. The professor, instead of calling him out for tardiness, smiles and gives him an unexpected task. Why don't you go and get tea for the entire class? The student, eager to redeem himself, nods and rushes out. The air outside is colder than he expected, and to his dismay, there are no tea vendors anywhere near the campus. He searches around for a while, but finally, he returns to the class and says, "Sir, I couldn't find any tea sellers. I'm sorry." Now here's where the real lesson begins. The professor looks at him, leans in, and says, "If I wanted to hear, no, I would have asked the college peon, who works for 15,000 rupees a month. You're here, working toward a career where companies might pay you lakhs of rupees. How can they justify that if, at the end of the day, you're giving them the same answer? You're not just here to learn facts or theories," the professor continued. "You're here to learn how to find solutions, no matter how tough the situation is." The class goes silent. That moment, it's a gut punch to everyone in the room. It's not about tea, it's about mindset. When you're in the corporate world, you're not paid to find excuses. You're paid to solve problems, to figure things out, to think on your feet. If you're expected to lead, you can't let obstacles turn into dead ends. You have to find a way. In that moment, the student realized his failure wasn't in not bringing the tea, it was in not thinking beyond the obvious. He could have asked someone for advice, found an alternative, or even suggested ordering tea from a nearby cafe. The real test wasn't about tea, it was about creativity, resourcefulness, and resilience. That's the key takeaway here. In life, and especially in business, there's always going to be some challenge standing in your way. The people who succeed aren't the ones who never face problems, they're the ones who, no matter the challenge, find a way to say, yes. So, next time you face a roadblock, ask yourself, are you going to give up and say no, or are you going to find a way to make it happen? Thanks for watching, and remember, your real value comes not from what you can't do, but from how you tackle what's in front of you. Keep hustling, keep solving, and I'll see you in the next video.